Building the ultimate gaming PC? Then listen up. Whatever you do, don't make these 3 classic mistakes, unless you want your money and performance to vamoose faster than an NPC at the gaming convention. Mistake 1, wrong CPU-GPU combo. First off, let's talk about mismatched CPU and GPU combinations. Slap a top-of-the-line GPU onto a modest processor, and what do you get? A GPU that's as useless as a snooze button at a heavy metal concert. It won't work to its full potential because of a bottleneck. Balance is key. For instance, pair a Ryzen 5 5600 with an RTX 3060 for pure harmony, a match made in silicon heaven. Mistake 2, cheap power supply. The second colossal blunder is going cheap on the power supply unit, or PSU. Think of a PSU like the heart of a PC. Trust an off-brand, no-name PSU, and your system might just flatline. Always opt for 80+ certified PSUs from trusted brands like Corsair or Cooler Master. Your PC deserves that certified touch. Mistake 3, poor cable management. Last but not least, the unsightly chaos of cable mismanagement. Got wires strewn about like they're headlining a spaghetti western? Poor cable management blocks airflow, increases heat, and shortens the lifespan of your precious PC. A few simple cable ties and a dash of effort can make your rig look cleaner and cooler than a cucumber at a chill fest. And there you have it. For more enlightened advice and PC building wisdom straight from the IT wizard himself, be sure to hit subscribe, like, and pass this knowledge along with a share. Stay tech savvy, folks.